Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon to madam. My name is Muhammad Irwan Irfan Mekalik, my trade number 263095. Today I will present for the project proposal. Okay, we go to the next slide. Next slide is about project title. Project title that I get is Information Retrieval System of Islamic Question and Answer using a NoSQL database technology. Okay, we go to the next slide. Next slide is about project background. For introduction, this project is about the retrieval the information of Islamic by using question and answering system. This is because the question and answering system is automated approach to retrieving correct answer to question writing by using in natural language. It's because QA system is about it's same like Google. We need to enter the question and press the button search or enter, then we get the answer back. Okay, for previous work, I have three previous work. For example, first is Arabic QA system has been developed in 2009. The name of developer is Kana'am, Hamori, Al-Salafi, and Hal. The system is developed in university in Mecca. That's why it's Arabic system because in Mecca the people is using Arabic. And the second is developed in 2010. The system was using a Quran document in three languages: Malay, English, and Arabic. The developer name is Yunus Zainuddin Abdullah. This system is used three languages like Malay, English, and Arabic. For example, Quran in Malay translation, Quran in English translation, and Quran in Arabic translation. Okay, the second previous work is Zengyu. Zengyu is name of developer. The thousand developer developed this system is 2012. The name of the system is QBR or QA system based on a case-based reasoning. Okay, for the next slide is a problem statement. We have two problems. For example, question and answer system require a lot of time because I have used one of QA system like Mufti Wilayah. It take too long time to get the feedback because we need to enter the question and also give a email to get a feedback of the question that we ask. The second is the Islamic question and system very difficult to use and also understood by the children and elder because this system is not easy to use for children because he have to enter the question and also use the email to get the feedback. The solution if for the problem is give the solution is use MongoDB database for NoSQL database to collect the answer and question and use PHP and HTML language to get us a app language. And the next solution is make the system easy to handle by the children and citizen. We'll ask a question and answer. For example, use a system that use a button to choose. It's easy to use for children and elder. Okay, next slide is about a project objective. If you want to identify requirement for the Islamic question and answer system, objective 2 is to analyze and design for Islamic question and answering. Objective 3 is to develop prototype of Islamic question and answering system. Objective 4 is to evaluate the usable for Islamic question and answer system. Okay, for project scope, user scope have 3. The user of the QA is the Muslim. QA system I developed is Muslim. The purpose of QA Islamic QA that I developed is they use by a Muslim to get the answer for the fatwa and Islamic law. we assign the Muslim and non-Muslim the weights based of QA system. Decision scope is using a tool like a EV software to change the data answer to the SQL database. A second is programming language like use PHP and XML as the app language. And the second is the third is use valid ML for model design and analyzing the system. Okay. For the next slide is a project signification. I have three. I made three signification. For example, question question and answer system project is to help Muslim and non-Muslim. For example, like I say like before, to find a fatwa and Islamic law. Create a system to reduce explanation or understanding of and understanding answering. For example, like fatwa, Islamic question and answering system is daily of Muslim and non-Muslim. For example, for worship. The next slide is methodology. I use methodology is waterfall software development methodology. The method is a line method developed, which is often considered a classic approach to the life cycle of software development. This is a for the methodology waterfall is sequence model used to build a variety type of software where the project progress seen as slow flow like a waterfall. For example, we can see requirement analysis is the first step. We require the analysis from the users and we can create and collect the data. Using UI designing, we design the prototype of system and implementation is we implement the QA system. Verification if we try and test the QA system and maintaining. The maintaining we also do test. After we verify, we get test QA prototype system. Okay. For the next slide is Gantt chart. Gantt chart for project we have two pasa. Pasa one is perspective and planning. Pasa two analysis and designing. In pasa one, we have four tasks in course briefing, project description, project proposal, and project presentation. And in analyze and design, we have seven tasks. In discussion of requirement, gathering requirement analysis, presentation, discussing of low low fidelity development, and low fidelity presentation. Okay, for next Gantt chart is second project. We have also two fasa 3 and fasa 4. Fasa 3 is prototype development, fasa 4 evaluation. In fasa 3 we have four tasks in discussion of prototype development. Task 2 is gathering prototype development. Task 3 is development prototype development. Task 4 is testing type system. In Fasa 4 evaluation, we have three tasks. Task 1 is discussion on evaluation. Task 2 is gathering and evaluation. Task 3 is final testing and prototype. Okay, that's all for my presentation.